Hello and welcome to Tribetopper. I'm Sonal Gupta, and this channel is about increasing your understanding of physics. To clear your concepts, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for latest updated videos.
Video session, you are going to learn about the nuclear structure. So, what is the nuclear structure? See, we know that an atom consists of electrons, protons, and neutrons, where electrons they revolve outside the nucleus. If this is the central nucleus part, then the electrons they revolve around the nucleus. But the atomic nucleus it consists of two major particles. They are protons and neutrons, and protons and neutrons together are known as nucleons. So nucleon is the single word to denote a proton or a neutron. The number of protons in a nucleus is denoted by Z, and we call it as the atomic number or proton number. And the total number of nucleons, that's protons and neutrons together, is called the mass number of an atom. It is denoted by A. So if I choose that there is an element X, then we represent it as ZXA, where Z corresponds to the atomic number, which is equal to the number of electrons or the number of protons, and A corresponds to the mass number, which is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, or we can say overall number of nucleons. Another thing that you need to know about is the isotopes. So there are certain nuclei which may have the same number of protons, but their number of neutrons present in them is different. So when we have the nuclei with same number of protons but different number of neutrons, they are called the isotopes of each other. For example, we can take the most basic one, that is 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. These are the three isotopes of hydrogen. So the three isotopes of hydrogen are 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. So they have the same atomic number. You see it's 1 every time. That means the number of protons is same. But what is different then? A is different, which means the number of neutrons is different. So the first one has 0 neutron, the second one has 1 neutron, and the third one has 2 neutrons. So the number of neutrons is different in each case, but the number of protons is same. So these are all the isotopes of hydrogen. So that's all in this video session. In the next video session, you are going to learn about radioactivity. Thank you.